Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add motion blur on TikTok. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To begin, start by opening the TikTok app on your device. Either record a new video or choose an existing video from your gallery by tapping on upload that you want to edit. Now find your videos. Easily go to the videos. After recording or selecting your video, tap on the effects icon, which looks like a sparkle icon, usually located on the right side of the screen. In the effects gallery, search for motion blur by tapping on the visual, then scroll down to find it. Once you find the motion blur, tap on it. TikTok will apply the effect on your video. You might have options to adjust the intensity or direction of the motion blur depending on the specific effect available at the time. Review the video to see how the motion blur looks like, and if you're satisfied, proceed to the next step by tapping on save, then tap next. After applying the motion blur effect, you can proceed to edit your video further if needed, adding captions, music, or other effects. Once you're done, tap on the post button to post it. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.